eat penis-shaped objects by a boy.
Where else would you eat a penis-shaped object?
Alone in my room.
Here, eat it. Why are you crying?
I don't know, someone. Mom, they beat me. They beat me.
She's gonna do
Do you care if I don't eat? Wait. It's like a white chick. Oh no! I don't want baby food in a tube.
No, I'm not opening it up.
I know you're mushing it. Get your poop in a group. You're having diarrhea. Oh! Don't burst it on my face.
I won't.
Why?
Does it feel more like a pee?
Does it feel like no? No. Ew. What?
Oh, it's okay.
It's
That was-
juicing
that was
on
just-
me.
No, that's just water.
Oh, it's dripping on my face. You're gonna like. Timmy's fucking the goat today. Not the dog. The goat. The goat. The goat.
You stop that! So it feels good. Pee-pee.
Seriously, you're pissing on everyone.
No, it's not leaking from a banana.
I'm a banana.
Where would it be leaking from? You should listen to it.
You're listening to banana? Banana whisperer. Bring that closer.
No.
I'll bring it closer. Looks so funny.
Listen to it.
I'm sweating. Fuck.
This thing feels freaking...
Fuck you. Oh, that's hell. They probably hate us so much.
You're crying.
I know I am. I just love life so much. I just want to slam dunk this on your face. Can I?
Go outside and do it.
No, they'd be mad. I'll do it at the shop.
Who would be mad? It's frowned upon.
It's frowned upon in
Would
a
be
public area.
It's a
It's
fucking
biodegradable though.
It's a banana.
Oh, I forgot a spot. Oh, I drink that.
You don't need it. Oh, that is disgusting. It's breaking open!
CPR, CPR, CPR.
That looks even worse now. Oh, it's seeping. No, eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Don't do it.
Don't make me do it. Don't make me do it. I have the option of paste or juice.
Mix those two together.
String. Oh, I didn't wash my hands. I'm just kidding. Oh no. Excuse me. Can I say that? Oh, look at it.
It looks fucking disgusting. Why is it? There's like two balls. Oh, gross.
No. You don't like me. I just want to slap. Can I slap it on your face? Meow?
No.
Meow?
No.
Hola, we're from Taiwan. Hold on. Oh! Get him to come here.
Doctor
Get
video.
him to come up here. Chill. Yeah. Get the bald-headed fucker. Come over here. Eat my banana. Hola, get the bald-headed fucker. Come over here. Eat my banana. No, 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 no. Oh, look at it. It's got a hole in it now. It looks really gross. Stick your finger in there. Okay. Okay. Why'd you tell me? No, bad.
I didn't say I had to make the sound effect.
I know, I'm sorry. Tim, come here. I have something for you. Can I smack it on your bald head? Can you just like slap it and just like lather it up? Just, like...
I really want to throw it at his face.
Merry Christmas.
What do I want it for? I don't want it.
It's disgusting.
Why no? Why am I doing it? Oh, see, I got rid of the banana. Success! Now we watch as the bald-headed fuck will go and play with the banana in the back. Dun dun dun. No, he's gonna go and fuck it.
The sexiest
He's
beast I've
gonna
ever
fuck
seen.
my
Look at
banana
that
mush.
ass as it walks away.
What a slut.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Look at that. Look at he's going in the back to fuck the banana.
Yummy, yummy, yummy,
Just look at
yummy.
it. Look at it. Look at it.
Yummy,
Look
yummy,
at it.
yummy, 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 yummy.
It's going to fuck our banana mush.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
That was fast.
Oh, he almost fell.
That would have been funny to get
Think
on
safety, work safely. We don't do that.
Fuck safety. Fuck the dog. Bats in the cake? Probably.
I think you're clear.
Dying.
What about you? Do you have any bats?
Not when you do that.